Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have colors I like, handy. I have my Meeden black paint, which I can use for base. Actually, you know what, I'm going to use something else. Actually, I'm not, because it's gone. I do have some more. Okay, I have some older paint that I think would make a great puddle to begin with something in the middle, except for I see something in there. It's probably a bubble. Yeah, it seems like it was a bubble. So whatever it is, it's definitely got newer Floetrol in it because it smells to heaven. Alright, I'm going to float some Anita's white metallic on there. Use some of my amethyst from Artist Loft. And my hot orchid from Color Art. And my purple flash from Folk Art, which looks like it wants to annihilate the amethyst, but that is okay. So I've got all kinds of other colors standing by. Let's just play with this for a second before I go on, because I can. Let's go over and down a little bit. My intention is to swipe. A little more. And I'm going to use the Decor Americana 24 karat gold as a starting place. And I think I'm going to add, even though it may not make any difference, some Venetian blue right to the center. And then I'm going to grab my swipe card and some Amsterdam black with Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner in it. You can find the recipe underneath the video. I really wanted to blow that out. I might dribble what I'm scraping off after. You can never tell. I kind of want some red in there because I'm not seeing any. And I think I'd like it. Right now, I'm really interested in doing some weird stuff. I might just start in one way and finish in another. There is a very good chance of that right now. I'm going to grab my little tool. You can find, if you ask me for the URL for the video, I'll help you out. But it should be in playlist called Tools. They work best when you have a copious amount of paint to slide things on. So I'm just going to do more copious paint smearing and adding more black and dripping. I never have the nerve to just do one color, and I've wanted to, and I just did it, and I'm so happy I did. I think I'm going to indulge myself if I have it handy, yes. That was the Venetian blue. This is the Venetian blue with some Anita's white metallic in it. Now, before I get too overly involved, I'm thinking I'd like to see what happens when I move things some, because I can sort of think I want an edge catcher at least to pour off onto. Let something go over the edge. And come back again. I'm trying to convince myself that it's cool to save some negative space. And I really want some more pink. And I think I'm going to use some of this Arteza Pearl. Along with the Hot Orchid. And some more gold, I'm pretty sure. I made up some golden product, iridescent gold. That's better. Right along that top edge, I'm thinking I want something else too. Because it's a pre-primed dry canvas in the background, it's not as easy as it might be if it were wet to move paint across the dry surface. So it takes a little bit of effort. I like that color a lot. And there's plenty of it. I use GAC 800 by Golden to keep all my paints moist. Excuse me. That was completely out there. To keep my paints from cracking. That was pretty weird. We're encroaching on serious brain cramping territory. It's hot today. My brain melted. I'm thinking a little bit more white because the white looks so cool there. I'm not sure if I want much more at all though. Just a little. I think I'm inclined to add a little more still. I do really, really like this. And it's nice to keep the eye moving in the direction you want it to go. It's really hard to use the sharp end of the skewer, but I think I succeeded. And I like everything I've got so far. I'm going to do it again. A little tiny bit more white. This time I'm going to put it right on my skewer and just use it as a pen. Very delicately. So, I am almost done, and I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Not that I know that there are any. I really like how that red turned out. I don't know why I'm so red shy. I especially like red and pink. Like, I always loved the fuchsia plants. Just a little tiny, tiny tadpole more. Because red will definitely draw the attention. Draw the eye. Neat. Okay, so that is that, and it's what it is. I want some white up there. Maybe I want some pink. I say that is what it is, but you can't trust me. Whoops. Okay, well that evidently belonged there. I was in too much of a hurry for a second. And now we have a beautiful, beautiful dot of purple to be joined by a few more because I can. Well, that's a bubble, not a dot. Goodbye, bubble. And I will torch. Tell you guys I love you. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that you leave me to keep my morale boosted. I appreciate that so much. I don't mind if there's a little bit of pink aberrating the white. It just makes it more interesting. Probably should have done that with a skewer instead, but I kind of like it anyway. I'm wondering if I can put a little black in there. I know, I'm still fussing, aren't I? Grab the end of a skewer. Where was I going to put that? Maybe not there. I like that texture there, that's cool. Neat. I just figured out where I wanted them. Just barely coming in contact with the paint so that it will release its payload. So that's really different, which is never a bad thing. One little spiral. You know what? I want some purple in those blue dots. I know I said I was going to be done, but I'm having too much fun. Thank you for joining me. Check out some of my over 2,000 videos. 2,100 we're going on. I'm hoping the purple inside the blue spreads out a little bit. But if it doesn't, that's okay too. I started using my white acrylic pens to embellish an artwork recently, and I was pretty happy with my results. So everything looks like something potentially and I am just adding the colors that I want to enhance what I already have. Dot by dot. And it's just a little bit of red. I'm not sure, that doesn't look like some kind of weird, strange critter eye. Alright, so it's time for me to get ready to go to dinner. I can hear the plates in the kitchen. It's just strange to have 4 dots. I need another dot. I got more than I'd bargained for. Now I've got a heart. Alright, so please give me a thumbs up. If you like my videos, I appreciate the thumbs up. If you share my videos, I appreciate your help. I used up all my time again, but a surprise. If you watch my videos longer, you help me out and I appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching when the notifications come out. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. It's on the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link underneath the video. This has got a really surreal feel to it, like channeling a little bit of Peter Max, which is okay with me. I really kind of like that a lot. If I want to do anything to it, it's going to be right there, but I think it'll be okay, and I'll tell you when it dries. Alright, so tomorrow's video will be on the community board on my YouTube channel, and pixels.com, Fine Art America, my website, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More for shopping, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors Facebook group, all on the link tree. If you have questions, please ask. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is underneath Show More, along with my email. If you have an interest in inquiring about the purchase of an artwork or taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, please use my email address. My link tree also has Le Gallerist clothing on it, made in Montreal, and it's investment quality, beautiful stuff. And I would love it if people would shop there. I also have spring clothing underneath the video. But the Le Gallerist has some of my favorite designs ever on dresses and kimono tops. And just some sensuous stuff. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, are on the link tree also. So if I can help you with anything, don't forget you can ask me questions, and I will see you guys anon. I love you much. You inspire me always. And I'll talk to you soon. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. And lately I've been posting at 2 p.m. in the afternoon on the weekends, but you can't count on that. Look for the monthly drawing prizes included at the beginning of the exhibition video that I include at the end of every video in the last 20 seconds. Look for a new exhibition video every month, and if you want to get into it to have a chance to win some of the paintings, then you can use PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, but there is a Patreon link, there's a PayPal link on the link tree also. So you will be automatically entered should you happen to make a donation, and I really appreciate you guys keeping me painting. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Thank you for the comments that keep my morale boosted, and sorry if I sound a little weird right now. It hasn't been my best day, and I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Thanks for being here.